step ahead is not enough. If you're gonna be ahead, you got a plan, you gotta know how it's gonna go when it all comes down to the work. The devil made for idle hands, and it's been a long time coming. He crossed my path down in New Orleans. Yeah, gotta dot those I's and cross those T's, and the devil will dance whether you're willing. I invited him to play, and he can't help himself. I've stacked the deck, but he's ready to play. He's looking like a beat dog. You can count on it, just like the cards, and it plays out like I know the end game, because I do. It's been a long time coming, but he can't see how it's gonna go. And I let him win enough to feel confident, and he starts to show a passion for the game, just like down in. Just like down in. But I can tell his fire is running low, just like I knew it would. On a night like this, I slowly take away everything I let him win, and I let him know each time with a wink and a smile. I can tell he rubs him raw. I tell him this just isn't your night, as I take his last chips and the chips fall to the floor as he flips the table. And you gotta know how it's gonna go when it all comes down to the work the devil made for idle hands. He says, I know you've been cheating, and I smile and ask him to dance. Looking at the door, he snarls and I smile as we step outside. He's full of fury by now, and I see him change, but it's not enough. I look to the empty sky, pull out my knife and sidestep the pain and suffering his passion means to be. Being one step ahead is not enough. If you're gonna be ahead, you got a plan, you gotta know how it's gonna go when it all comes down to the work the devil made for idle hands. And he says, I know you've been cheating, and I smile and ask him to dance. Looking at the door, he snarls and I smile as we step outside. He's full of fury by now, and I see him change, but it's not enough.
Being one step ahead is not
past him, slashing his ankle, leaving him no leg to stand on. Watch him topple, blood spills on the ground, and I can taste it. I dance outside his rage, dotting I's and crossing T's upon his body. Howls, but it's more of a whimper. Being one step ahead is not enough. If you're gonna be good hand, you gotta plan, you gotta know how it's gonna go. And it all comes down to the work the devil made for idle hands. There's and to finish though, that coming to the fold. His eyes grow wide as I smile and show my teeth. Can't wait to taste, you gotta plan, you gotta know. I lunge to rip out his throat with my bite and I slip upon the blood, impaled by the stake sticking through.